It's been a good experience. I was actually surprised at how much I've enjoyed it. It has been tough and I'm stiff and a little bit sore, but I feel like I could get up tomorrow morning and go for a ride. Probably won't, but otherwise, yeah, great race, great organization. The supporters were good. The backup crew were phenomenal. You don't really see them in the background, but everything just works. That's why Inyatsi sponsors the Frontier, because of the professionalism of the team that organize it. It also promotes tourism in the country. We are big on wellness. We've got a pretty good wellness program. The other thing that I enjoy about this event is the local community. This year, Brett and Leslie have fixed up one of the schools that we go past. So it's giving back to the community. It's nice to cycle amongst the community and have the kids waving and people giving you directions when you go off course. One of the highlights was we spent the night, second night was in Belembu, and the send-off that morning from the kids. It's an orphanage, and they lined the streets and they just sang and encouraged us. A bit disconcerting being told don't give up 20 minutes into the ride, but yeah, it was great just to experience that and be part of it. It's been good. I've enjoyed it.